I was headed home, leaving the daycare, picking up my nieces. Another driver mistakenly thought that our light was changing green, and it was actually the turning lane. But she wasn't paying attention, so as she seen the other cars on our left proceeding to turn, she thought it was our light, and she slammed in the back of me. I had a bad concussion, my back, and my tooth was knocked out my mouth. The job I used to work at, our principal, her sister worked here, so she recommended us here to come and experience this experience we experienced. After communicating, Miss Jasmine is awesome. Just to let you know, Miss Jasmine, she made sure she communicated very well, and more so a few times out the week to let us know like what's going on with our case. And we're not stressing or worrying about, well, we're not getting a call. She made sure she kept us up to date with everything. Yes, most definitely. Yes. And it was A1. I could say it was great.